Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2A, Question number 8, Intermediate Level. Question number 8. Use a number line to illustrate each of the following. Part A, the numbers, -1 upon 3, 2.5, 1 whole 3 upon 8, 1, -0.2, and 0.11 are illustrated on the number line. Part B, positive odd integers less than 20 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19, that are illustrated on the number line. Part C, prime numbers more than or equal to 2 but less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7, that are illustrated on the number line. Part D, common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2, and 4, that are illustrated on the number line. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.